Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, WhatsApp has become a very common communication method nowadays. Along with email, phone, people do use WhatsApp. And Power Apps, the way they are gaining popularity, isn't it interesting to know how we can include WhatsApp link to contact? Because Power Apps, look, you can access through browser, mobile devices and all. And especially when you access it using your personal mobile devices, you have the WhatsApp option, right? Like you have WhatsApp installed in your phone. So when you click on it, and if you can contact directly from there, it's going to be very easy. So I wanted to show you this with a simple app. So I have created an app, okay, and this is just a button, WhatsApp me. Instead of this button, you can add any icon. Like people have amazing icons for WhatsApp, whatever you want. And you need to use this function launch https me / your number. So your WhatsApp number, if it's like US Canada, put one in front and then the number, and then then let's say you share it with others. So whoever opens this app and click on this button will have based on his device, I mean if he has WhatsApp installed, WhatsApp app will open and it will try to message this number. Even if this number is saved in their phone or not, still it will open. If they are accessing on desktop, then WhatsApp web page will open if WhatsApp is not installed, and it will ask them to either download and install or use the WhatsApp web to message. So from there you can proceed. So just make sure to change this number, rest is here for you. Thanks for watching this guys. I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you.